All right, friends, come with me to my local Dollar Tree. We are in search today for a Christmas item that you likely already have at home. It's this clear ornaments that you can find at Dollar Tree pretty much every Christmas season. They have them in large as well as smaller ones, and we're going to start with a large one here. And I'm also going to start with this wooden star piece. You can find these in the crafting aisle pretty much year round. I'm going to give this one coat of Waverly chalk paint in the white and put that to the side while it dries. I'm going to start with one of the larger ones, remove the top from it, and then we are going to start filling it in to create a cute light up snow globe. So these little glittery picks you can find during the Christmas season at Dollar Tree. I'm just going to cut a few picks here and there and slide them through the hole. You just got to be a little bit patient, just kind of push them in and then just kind of place them and then start arranging them how you want. I'm going to add several of them, but you can add however many you want. Now it's time to bring in some faux snow. Now you can find several styles at Dollar Tree during the Christmas season. These are the ones that are kind of foamy. I'm not gonna lie. This was a bit of a mess and it was not working the way I thought it would work. So then I grabbed a funnel and this worked okay. I just needed to get them in there somehow without it flying around because they're foam. So the fan was kind of blowing everywhere. They were getting stuck. So then I said, okay, I'm going to start to create my own funnel with some craft paper. This is like stock paper and see if this works better. I was trying, friends. I was trying. This worked so much better. So if you're going to recreate this, just create your own funnel. All right, here we go. So now it's looking a little bit more like a snow globe. So I'm going to use some of this other type of snow. And this is just kind of like, it's like a white sand almost. And I'm just going to place it right in there just to create, again, more of a snowy feel. Now I want this globe to light up. So we also want to place some Christmas lights. But I need to poke a hole. So I want to add this hole right to one of the sides of the ornament. I'm going to use my burning tube, but you can also use the tip of your hot glue gun. Keep that in mind. All right, so these LED lights you can find at Dollar Tree pretty much year-round, different styles, but this one specifically from the Christmas selection. And then I'm going to add some batteries and then start to thread them in through the hole. This worked really well. Just take your time, be patient, and thread them in. Just let them fall wherever they fall. Now you can always put your scissors inside and just kind of move them around as you need. Of course, you're going to have the battery pack. Just leave that out. And then we're going to hot glue the ornament onto the white star. Some hot glue really did the work and it worked out really good. And then I want to add some greenery. Now you can add any type of greenery. You can add snowy greenery, which I'll use in a later project. But for this one, because there's already so much white, I am going to stick with some greenery green. So I'm going to hot glue it to what will be the front and just kind of add some extra decor just for a festive look. And we're just about done. I mean, you can add any color to this. You can add reds. I decided to keep it in the silver kind of tone. Look how stunning this looks. I love the way this one turned out. The battery pack is in the back and it's safely hidden. For the next Dollar Tree Christmas craft, I'm going to take another wooden piece. And yes, I'm going to paint it white again. But I promise you, this is going to be for a completely different craft. I'm going to use chalk paint again by Waverly in the white, and then I'm going to put that to the side and let it dry. I'm going to take a piece of dowel that was left over from my previous project, and I am going to paint it white, leaving it about 1 inch on one side without paint. Again, I'm going to put that to the side and let it dry. Now I'm going to take this leftover wallpaper roll, and I'm going to drill a hole about 4 inches from one side. This drill bit actually fits the size of the dowel. I'm going to sand it smooth, and then I'm going to bring in the dowel, add hot glue to the hole, and stick it right in. We're going to create a cute little North Pole pole. All right, so now it's time to just cover the pole with some ribbon. You can use any ribbon you like. I like this one. It has very traditional Christmas colors. I'm going to roll it all the way around to the top, securing it in place with some hot glue. All right, so now it's time to bring in a smaller ornament. This is plastic again, clear, remove the top from it. And I'm going to use some LED lights once again. Now these I get on Amazon. You can use the ones from Dollar Tree, but sometimes you get more bang for your buck when you buy them on Amazon. So I have these on my Amazon store. If you want to check them out, and the link to my Amazon store is linked below in the description box. All right, so now that all the lights are in, I'm going to add some hot glue on the outside of the top of the ornament and place it inside of the roll right there. And then we're going to hot glue the battery pack to the what will be the back of the pole. Now I'm going to add hot glue to the bottom of the pole and add it to the white piece. All right, so now I want to create a cute little welcome home little banner for the stick, the dowel. So I'm going to use some of this craft paper that complements the color very nicely. I'm going to use these stickers from Dollar Tree. They're cute and little in farmhouse style. One says welcome, so I'm going to place it to the top. And then I'm going to freehand a home. Although if you have a cutting machine, you can use your cutting machine. I'm going to hot glue it to the dowel. Nice and simple. This is such an easy project, and how fun. All right, so now it's time to add some greenery. These are frosted greenery. Yes, the camera was not focusing on the right thing, but you can kind of see what I'm doing. Just keep adding whatever you want. Have fun. I did want to add something larger to the front, so I have this little white reindeer. It's an ornament from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to take the bow out, hot glue him or her to the base, and then add another little cute bow just in a golden tone because I think it really pops with that ribbon. And that's it. This is so adorable. You can make this with your kiddos, with your grandkids, with friends, just for fun. It's gorgeous.
Keeping people pleased, but this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to
For the next Dollar Tree Christmas DIY craft, I'm going to take this jar. It has a lantern style look. I'm going to remove the actual wrap around the rim and keep it because you never know when you're going to use it. And then I'm going to remove the sticker from the bottom. I'm going to fill the jar with some pillow stuffing to make it a little white. And then I'm going to take another small ornament, clear plastic. At first, I thought I can stuff it with some pillow stuffing. It was not filling. So change your plans. I'm just going to add more lights. These are different types of lights from Dollar Tree, battery operated. I'm just going to stuff them in the ornament. Same thing, except this time we can't drill a hole or not drill, but burn a hole because it's glass. So we're just going to keep it hanging, add hot glue to the rim, and add the ornament. We're going to tape the battery pack to the back, and it actually stuck pretty well. And then we're going to make a cute little snowman with this project. So we are going to take some ribbon, tied on the neck, make a simple bow, cut off the excess ribbon in a dovetail style. And then I want to freehand a cute little face and some buttons. So at first I thought I'd start with permanent marker. It wasn't sharp enough. So then I'm going to just move on to the nose, the carrots. I'm just going to add some orange paint and create a nose. And then I'm just going to add some paint right over the buttons just to make them look like coals. Then I'm going to add a cute little dot style smile and then a couple of eyes. Then when I was done, I realized that the buttons did not match the same direction as the face. So I removed those buttons and added new ones. I tell you, friends, just have fun with the process. And look how gorgeous he looks. I'm actually glad that it turned out where I couldn't put the pillow stuffing inside his head because it looks so cute. For the next Dollar Tree Christmas DIY craft, I'm going to take this leftover pot, just like a tiny little baby terracotta pot from Dollar Tree from the summer section. I'm going to open up the hole from the bottom by just using my hammer and a small little screwdriver. Just take your time and do it very lightly and whiten the hole until the ornament fits right inside. Yay for that. Cleaning up. All right, so now we're going to paint the little terracotta pot in a bright red. This is Rust-Oleum Farmhouse Red. We're going to do one coat. Friends, if you have not joined my email list, I would love for you to consider doing so. I email once a week, and the link to do so is down in the description box. All right, so now I have these little pom-poms that I've kept from previous projects. I thought, why don't we stuff, the little ornament with them? And then I add these cute little red ones just to add a pop of red color inside. So I'm just going to add a few inside. Now, to make sure that nothing's going to fall through the hole, I'm just going to put one extra pom-pom and plug the hole. That's simple. I'm going to add some hot glue and add the ornament right on top. It looks like a little gumball machine. How cute! This was a Pinterest-inspired one. You can find all kinds of inspiration. All right, so here's where things get a little difficult again. I want to give it a Santa look. So I thought about using some vinyl that I had at home, some from Dollar Tree, some from Cricut, but it didn't work out. But I'm going to show you the process, okay? So I added the black vinyl as the belt, and it was just not quite sticking, and it was dry. I wasn't sure what was happening. It was also too wrinkly because of the round and the shape of the terracotta pot. So I'm going to take some golden vinyl. This one's from Cricut, but use what you have at home. And I'm going to create the little belt buckle. You can see me there trying to really make it stick. Friends, it was not working. I'm going to show you here. You see all those wrinkles. It was bubbling up. No matter what I did, it was just not working. So I removed it. And we're just going to freehand it. I'm going to use a permanent marker to create the belt. You can use paint too. I just thought I'd be a little bit more precise with the permanent marker, and it worked well. After I was done with the belts, I'm going to create a belt buckle just using gold paint. This is gold paint that I had on hand from Arteza. Again, use what you have on hand. And we're just about done. We're going to keep it simple, but you can add whatever you want to the little globe. I think it's so adorable. I love the way this one turned out, the simplicity. How fun is this one? Let me know which one is your favorite, and I have another video here for you with tons more of Dollar Tree Christmas DIY crafts. Check it out. I'll see you later and have a blessed day. Bye.